Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I want to introduce you to Lisa Horton Crafts and tell us where you're from and what we're going to be looking at today.
So I'm Lisa and I'm from London. I have a craft brand which is obviously based in the UK. We do the most amazing layering stencils, dies, embossing folders you are going to absolutely love. We do inks, stamps, everything that Debbie needs. So I've just explained the system that we use, which is the Ultimate.
And I see the packaging back there.
Yeah,
so guys, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see it.
It is amazing. So this is going to make your life really simple, and you can do a lot of things with this. You can do your stenciling. You've got your peg system here, which is going to hold your stencil in place. You get your silicone mat that comes with it, which is just amazing. You can use heat on that as well. When we turn the system over, let's move that out of the way, you get your scoring tool. In either end, you get a stylus, you get a die, which allows you to cut out the holes for the pegs, so you can use those with other stencils. And then you can start building in your wonderful 3D embossing folders. Now, as our embossing folders are some of the best on the market, the detail is incredible. When you buy an embossing folder, it comes with an outline cutting die.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, so you can take a piece of white card, use that, cut it out, pop it into your folder and create the most amazing look. I would like to, can you bear with me and look at the back of my head while I grab a sample of
Absolutely.
the wall? So you can see. No, not that one this time, would you believe it?
Oh, that's lovely.
What you can create is something like this.
So you guys can't really see it as well because it's on here, but basically it is the ephemera piece. The design is all embossed and cut out perfect.
It is beautiful. So what you can do is you can emboss, leave it on your card. You can emboss and stencil, leave it in your card. You can emboss, stencil and die cut and have your separate piece of artwork. So you get in one pack, you will get your embossing folder and your die. In a separate pack, available separately as well, you get your layering stencils. And you'll see down the side, you have these little holes which work in your system. So all you're going to do is open your stencils. Your stencils are all numbered as well in the corner, so you can't get it wrong.
And this is a layering stencil set.
It's a layering
Fabulous.
set. This set has 6 stencils, and all you're going to do is you're going to place your first stencil over. Ooh, got it in the right place. Too many mimosas there. Ink it. You'll lift it off. You'll place stencil number 2 over. Ink it and lift it off.
And everything's going to be lined up absolutely perfect.
Now, if you make a mistake, you think the ink isn't dark enough, and you can flick through your stencils and say, I'm going to go back in, because it doesn't matter, it's not going to move.
Fabulous.
So you can do your stenciling onto a piece of card, and then if you want to, you can choose to die cut it without even doing the embossing. So you've got so many options, so many options. It's a really clever system.
Love that. Well, thank you so much, Lisa. And you said that you're in the UK, so that's going to be good for some of my folks that have trouble getting any US products because they're over there.
Absolutely.
Quick question for you, and I can edit this part out if you say no. I like to have people come on as a guest on my live streams. Is that something you think you might be interested in if we can coordinate the time, because there's a major time difference?
We have very different time difference. We have very different times. Do you know what it is? I keep saying this is orange juice, but it might be a little bit later than that. I would absolutely love to. It would be my absolute pleasure.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.